Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Square for Retail step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Square for Retail into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Square for Retail website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You'll be directed to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the appropriate field. Select the country where your business is located. Click the Next button to move on. Fill in your business details, including the name and address. Choose the type of business you operate from the provided options. Enter your phone number for account verification purposes. Click Next to continue. Select whether you'd like to receive marketing communications from Square. Review your information on the summary page to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Create Account. You will receive a verification email from Square. Go to your email inbox and open the email from Square. Click on the verification link provided in the email. You will be directed back to the Square website. Now, log in using your email and password. Follow the prompts to set up your payment processing details. Provide your bank account information for deposits. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Complete any additional setup steps that may be required. You're now registered with Square for Retail. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.